I need to ask you to excuse me for my appearance right now. I am comfortable and I'm not feeling great. I have a sore throat, but I just wanted to talk to you guys about my wisdom teeth experience. Um, I want to say Friday of last week. No. So like 2 weeks ago, I got my wisdom teeth pulled out. Um, and I had both my top and my bottom wisdom teeth removed. I had one tooth that was impacted, but the rest hadn't ground their roots yet, or grown their roots yet, so I was lucky enough to get mine out early enough that I didn't have to experience too much of the bad complications that can come with getting your wisdom teeth removed. But, I mean, by like any means, it wasn't easy for me. I had a lot of issues with the healing process. For some reason, my mouth didn't want to heal as it should. I had a lot of like jaw issues. Like, I guess I'm almost getting to my normal, like being able to open it wide again. But I'm just gonna go through like day by day for the first like 3 or 5 days of what my wisdom teeth experience was like, and how I dealt with it, and like kind of like what you can expect to like experience. So day one, I scheduled my appointment for 7:10 in the morning because I did choose to go under anesthesia completely. I got an IV. You can't see the bruise anymore, but I had an IV and I had the gas mask. And I was surprised at how, like, I am 14, I should be able to handle myself, but they didn't even give me an option of having my mom go in the room with me, but they just kind of took me by the arm, put me in a chair, put the gas mask on me, and got right into that. They just didn't take a break for anything. So I was like, I want to say I was scared, but I was not prepared for the quickness, I guess. I thought it would be more, they would explain to me more what was happening, but they just did their job. I woke up from the anesthesia and I don't remember much for the next like couple hours. I do remember I fell out of the chair, and then it was after the surgery, but then they had to bring me to the car, and then I remember waking up in my chair at home. So the morning after getting put under is just a blur, but I had really bad swelling and bruising all on my face. I had my cheeks, like, I'm not lying, were out here. Like, I had really bad swelling, and the ice didn't work. They say you're only supposed to ice it for the first 2 days, but I couldn't keep the ice on. It was so painful for some reason. Putting that ice on my face really irritated it, and it didn't help. But it says after the first 2 days you can start putting heat on your face, so I had a warm washcloth that I would set on my face to, I don't know, keep the blood flowing or something. And it says like you're supposed to wash your mouth out with salt water. Yeah, I didn't do it, and I'm sure that's part of the reason I didn't heal right. But I just made sure I kept it clean. I do have braces, so I have a water pick, and I would put it on a low setting and just blow it, put it in my mouth and rinse out the sockets, even though I didn't really have much of a socket because my teeth didn't have, roots yet. And so the first 2 days were okay. I guess all I could eat was soft food, and the numbness annoyed me. I couldn't feel my lip and my tongue, or half my tongue, for like 4 or 5 days, and it's really annoying because I remember my friend brought me ice cream and I could feel it in my, like, on part of my tongue, but in the other part of my tongue it was warm, so it was a really like uncomfortable experience, I guess you could say. And once the numbness went down, I guess I was fine. I mean, I had a lot of ravioli that I could just like suck down, but it wasn't a great experience for me. My mom had made it sound like it was so easy when she got hers done, and it just really wasn't that easy for me. The Monday after my surgery, I had my 8th grade class trip, so I went looking like a chipmunk because by then your swelling isn't supposed to be any better than what it was like 2 days ago or whatever. So I was lucky enough not to have the complications of dry socket or permanent nerve damage or any like sinus issues, but I know if people wait longer, like I got mine out, I didn't want to get them out, but I knew if I got them out sooner, it would be better because I wouldn't have to worry about those things such as dry socket, because my teeth wouldn't be as formed. So people that are waiting till like they're 18, which I guess is the normal time they tell you to get them out, but people wait that long. Like my dad waited till he was 29 years old, and my cousin is going on 20 and still hasn't gotten hers removed. So I'm glad I got mine done and over with, so I don't have to worry about it anymore. And I don't know, I guess I was really afraid to get mine out. It's really not as bad as you think it would be, but you kind of got to prepare yourself, I guess. I knew it was going to suck, so I knew what I was going into, that it wasn't going to be easy. So that was just a little video to explain my wisdom teeth experience, and if you have anything else you want to see, just leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.